I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I'm a man, I got a full market plan. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark, swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'll get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I got a full market plan. I'm a man, I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark, swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'll get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I got a full market plan. I'm a man, I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark, swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'll get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I got a full market plan. I'm a man, I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark, swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on market plan. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'll get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I'm a man, I got a full market plan. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'll get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark.
Boom, and that's perfect timing. There we go. We're back, baby. We are back. Hold up, wait, let me. All right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I apologize for the absence of yesterday. Yesterday, I had some things to take care of in the morning. Busy, busy. See, Lucy up 25% was a nice runner. Boo coming down, had a nice little pop. Got a Larity popping up. Any other plays joining us? Not really. See, we have 1 day trade. And we also have some cash. So that's good. All right. Let's see what we can do here. Also, keep an eye on oil. Oil is a very important play. Don't feel like explaining why, but I say I'm not wrong generally. MVOS, pretty decent run. FFIE had a nice little pop-up here. Foxo having a couple of moves here and there. Buru is still going down, though. Sadly. Hope everyone is having a good week so far. I know it's been kind of short, but we are looking for that next play, baby. Oh, hold the phone. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. SunPower just broke 350. Come on, baby. SunPower make a big move here today, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to have a good morning. We're going to have a real good morning. Might not even have to dip our toes in the water. Our feet might just be in there already. CISS. Beautiful. When did CISS having a really good run up here? Volume pretty nice. What's the float here? 5 milli? 6 milli? Coming down here. Potential last dip before the open. Does have a setup. Does have a pretty decent setup here. MVOS continues its run here. It is looking to break that $1 again. Currently up above 100%. XHG is another play up 75%. MBIO. You know what? I think MBIO. Last time I said I think MBIO is going to have a nice little pop up here. It did. Did come all the way down. But if we're having another setup here in MBIO, maybe, just maybe. BNZI. We're getting some rerunners, some repeats. MVOS still looking to break that $1 area. DHAC, Digital Healthcare. Interesting. Buru is another play I'm keeping an eye on. It did pop up, but hey. Barbara, good morning. How are you? Hope you're having a beautiful Friday. Is today Friday? I hope you're having a beautiful Friday morning. The last day of the month as well. Oh boy, hold up. Let's go back. Let's go back. Come on, SunPower. There we go. 354. It's starting to move, baby. I'm liking this. I'm liking this a lot. Come on. Can we break? What was that previous level? We're at that level. 355. There we go. 355. We've tapped it. Question is now, do we see the shorts piling in? We do have a very nice setup here. We're still looking to break that 375 level. Now, obviously, this is not a play that most people are in. I'm in options, so these moves mean a lot more. Wow, we hit 356. DHAC making a pop up here, looking for a run. There we go, having some nice moves. Very quick $2 pop there. This thing definitely looks like it wants to make another run here. Could this, oh wait, hold up. You know what? This is a cash account play. This is a cash account play. Whoops. What did I do? What did I do? We're going in. Okay. This might be a terrible idea. This could be a really good idea. We'll see. We'll find out. It's recently just hit the markets. Seems like. Yeah. No. This is not. Okay. This one's just skyrocketing for no reason. We'll see how this goes. I bought one share for the shits and giggles of it. Could easily get dumped here. ASST. Buru finding some support. Might not be a bad play as well still. Still think Buru has some juice in it. I still think Buru wants to go up to this 77 level. Ooh, whoa, okay. Sun Power is actually moving. 360. Have an interesting open here, ladies and gentlemen. Very interesting open. Try not to get too far ahead of the game here. DHAC still in this $24 area. There we go. It's moving. Volume is not great. I don't know what the float is. Float is really small though. Are we gonna see a nice little move here? Or is this already the move? Pre-market is getting pretty amped here. Got a lot of volume kicking in. Also another play I'm keeping an eye on is QMCO. Alright, let's update this again. MVOS top of the list. MVOS did break $1, hit 104. CRKN not really doing too much. Wasn't CRK was it CRKN's fundamentals or the BSFC's? I think it was BSFC. CRKN also doesn't have terrible fundamentals. They have like contracts and stuff. Let's take a look at BSFC because it's actually up today, 5% pre-market here. Looking kind of interesting. Does still have a gap down below. Did have a pop-up. Doesn't look terrible. Not the greatest setup. I mean, hold up. Yeah, this one's been down. If we look at the daily chart here, not the worst, not the greatest. Did have a massive volume day. Might be worth to just add some shares to this, you know. Just pick up some shares. How much would be like 25? No, we'll wait for market. We'll wait for market. I don't want to get ahead of myself here. DHAC, yeah. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what the opening volume is here. That's on my cash account. MBIO is still a play that I want to keep an eye on. I think that could be good. SCPX, interesting. They had earnings. XHG. We do have about 10 minutes left before the market opens here. Thought I would stop in and say hi. What's up, Steve? My girl came alive again. Go MVOS. Yeah, MVOS did have a beautiful, beautiful pop-up. Where is it? Ugh, Sun Power. Ugh. Yeah, let's take a look at MVOS here. Excuse me. By the way, I'm not sure if anyone caught LPA. This one had a really nice run. Alright, 8 minutes left. It's actually some of the highest volume we've seen all day. It's in the mid-range of this channel. MBIO. The volume's not great. Lucy. What about Buru? Buru's still kind of holding on. I don't even know what's going on. Buru looking like it wants to make a move here. Could see an opening pop. XHG. This can get real interesting. How's GameStop doing? I'd GameStop. I didn't post the video, but I made a video in which I said that I thought GameStop would have a massive pop up next week, the 6th. Woof! Wow! Look at Petco. No way. Petco really ran up this high. Man, we were trading in the 320s. Kind of crazy, excuse me. Brewer's still looking pretty good. I want the market to open. I don't want to play around with this like last 5 minutes of the market, pre-market stuff. I want to see the action. Und Action. It's a little too German. STSS. Also still looking pretty good. Excuse me. BSFC. Can't believe BSFC is up 5%. New Gold is also up. We got some interesting plays here. Definitely some interesting plays. We're gonna try to slam SunPower back down to 330 here. Maybe if they can. FFIE still kind of hooking it up. Kraken. DHC still not looking terrible. Still got just one share of this. Hmm. I'm back playing her again. Oh, my bad. Sorry, I didn't see your message, Steve. I was looking at the markets. They're gonna dance around with some power. Some power manages to get above 350, close above 350. They're gonna have to squeeze it. They're gonna have to. It's the only way. Oh, Buru's looking mighty fine here. Little questionable on this volume setup, but this is, I'm telling you, some power could get real interesting here. If you look at the option chain on some power, they have a bunch of calls on the 3.5 and the 4. And if those go in the money, man, I'm telling you, some crazy stuff could go down. The put side is a little weak, which I'm not the biggest fan of. But this could even have a knock-on effect into the June calls, so because that's when things get real crazy. We could have a whole GME setup thing going. Not saying I'm hanging my hat on that. PRST dropping here just before the open. I really want to make some money off of Buru. I'm really hoping Buru sets up nicely here. Alright, we got 1 minute left before the market opens. Enter at 62. Man, you guys have been killing it, bro. Buru's looking fine. I'm just gonna buy. 1,000 shares. Are we feeling that risky today? Maybe. Alright, here we go. Market is open, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Buru popping up right before it. Alright, let's go. Let's take a look here. We got the open. Update the list. DHAC. Okay, we're just going to switch over to the cash account instantly. Let's go DHAC. Go up. We want you to go up, not down. Buru dropping. Lucy with a big drop just before the open and now popping up. FFIE getting dropped. DHAC, come on, man. XHG, MVOS slight drop here. Ooh, some power got that volume, baby. That's what we want to see. Buru coming down, 24. Wait, where did QMCO is not doing terrible. LPA halted on the way down. MVOS, no, DHAC, don't go that way. Alright, Buru, how are we feeling? 60 million volume? Holy crap, bro. This thing gotta go, man. There's no way. They gotta be getting, they must have been trying to get people out of this. The volume, the opening volume is just insane. Damn, they got DHAC on the way down. It's tempted, man. It's tempted. hold up. Let me also look at these contracts on SunPower real quick. These contracts are moving up. I got a lot going on, so apologies if I'm not fully focused. I also got some DTCK, 50 shares of it, moving up nicely. Fubo ain't doing anything, but SunPower moving back down to 350. I guess they're trying to let people out. Yep. So I'm not. I think Brew needs to go down first. They're gonna cake it up in volume. $23. Let's go with 500 first. Damn. Alright, Brew's 23. It's heading to 22. Let's look at Sis. Sis is moving up. Ooh, Sis looks good. There's Buru at 22. Does it want to keep going or does it want to just drop? We'll see. Lucy. Whoa, look at Lucy. Lucy hitting 117. Massive pop. Buru instantly jumping back up to 23. Hold up. Let's look at the 1 minute here. 1 minute. We got 5 minute RSIs. Pretty cooked. Good support bounce. I mean, it's the opening. That's kind of the problem. Lucy's still moving. MVOS is heading down, but Lucy is on a tear. 120. SunPower getting dropped. Opening volume is good, I guess, but it's probably mainly because of that. Keeping an eye. BGXX. BGXX, pretty decent volume actually. Not the greatest, but somehow it has managed to find its way to the top of this. STSS had a nice pop at the open, went down. CRKN dropping. SPRC below $1 now. Buru. Hold up. 1 minute again. It's bouncing off the 500. What about the 2 minute? What about the 15? I don't know. It's looking a little wonky, but that could also just be an indication. Lucy dropping off the 120 here. Did hit 127 yesterday. Ooh. BSFC, let's take a look. What was BSFC's volume? Nah. I knew they were going to do something like that. Market is, let's look at the SPY real quick. Where's the SPY at? SPY had a drop just before the open and is now heading on its way back up. SunPower flipping green after that drop. It hit 236. Alright, let's go back. Okay, MVOS, nice cool off there. XHG coming down to fill gap. DHC unhalted, now moving down. That one share is not going to play out. Buru's still down, but the volume is nice. Let's update this. FFIE also has a decent amount of volume. MVOS moving back up to 92, 93. What's going on here? What are we doing? DHAC going down. FFIE. FFIE had a spike up, now coming back down. Very volatile. Hey, Pyro, good morning. Buru Peggy missed out on MBOS. Yeah. Buru had a nice move. I'm curious to see though. It's looking like it wants to flip. Literally MACD. It's a bit weird. If I go in, I have to commit because I only got 1 day trade. That's kind of the issue here. Whatever play I get in, I gotta commit. Boo to me looks like this opening drop here. Still kind of playing around 2270. Lucy still wants to go. Lucy's volume is consistent as well. They're trying to drive DHAC down. Foxo with a nice pop up to 40 cents here. Good opening volume. AMC is up 1.5%, nothing crazy. Nvidia had that drop, that pop. SVM popping up. PLTR is now crossing back into the 22s here. DTCK also having some interesting volume, nothing crazy. DTCK don't look too bad, man. I've been following this play for a long time. It don't look too bad. This is one of those few instances where it has the setup. You're gonna wake up one morning, DTCK gonna be sky high. VCNX popping up, halted. DHAC coming back up. Buru now down to 21. This is why I didn't jump in just yet. It's not looking great. We could see a massive reversal here. Still in the first 15 minutes of the market. XHG still trying to fill that gap. FFIE kind of big swings here. Very big swings. GPS Gap Incorporated is up 15%, but had a drop all the way from 28 down to 25. DHAC is now halted on the way up. It is suspended on the way up. This one could get interesting. I'm telling you, that one share could be a rider. All right, let's update this again. So MVOS not looking terrible. You can see we do have that buying pressure just below the 90s. It's getting froggy. 93, looking for the 94 area. I'm not a big fan of that XHG. Lucy having a bit of a drop here, but good buying pressure, good volume. Buru into the 20s. Man, they want to fill that gap at 19. There is no way that any of this is covered, man. No way any of this is covered. Coming right back down to that 13. Or that 12, sorry. What about CIS? What happened to CIS? CIS still looks pretty good. CIS had a big drop down to 171. BSFC back down to 253. Volume is not great, but I still think there's something there. Boom, there you go. MBOS with the spike above $1. This is where things get real interesting. You do have resistance at 134. That would be on the daily. On the hourly or on the 4 hour, you have resistance at 115. Keep that in mind. They do like to stop these type of plays at like 114. Halted. MBOS halted on the way up. Buru 20. Is this the buy? Is this the buy? It's bouncing off of a support level. What's the volume? 2 million? Part of me is saying do it. Do it, Tim. Do it. Some power with a big pop. Ooh, baby. The market is interesting. Let's also take a... Hold up. I just want to get Buru there. Let's also take a look at DJT. Donald Trump. Donald Trump stock hit 55.50. Came all the way back down. Just hit 47. And it's moving its way back up to the 50 area. MVUS still halted here. We got VCNX halted, DHAC suspended, and MVUS halted. VCNX unhalts. Does go down. Buru looks like it wants to bounce here. It's still looking a bit iffy to me. Not the greatest fan of it. It's bouncing off that 120. It definitely looks like it needs to... It needs to retest this 25 level, I think, on the way up. It still hasn't filled that gap down below. And it's got volume up above it, which is always a bit tricky. I want to jump in on that bad boy again. Sun power, man. Sun power. Oh my God, sun power. Holy crap! If you get above 350, clear as day. That could get interesting. Oh, DHAC. There we go. It's moving up, unhalted. Don't get halted on the way down. What's up? What's up with this? Hello? Oh. Really? Damn, that spread is massive. Alright. Where's that RSI at on the 5 minute? It's telling me, man. It's telling me. Brewer looks like it wants that swing back up. DHAC still kind of playing around here. Brewer, there we go. It's 21. Once you go back to that 22, it's probably going to try to retest underneath, like hit 25, 24.50 or something like that. Lucy could potentially be setting up here for another move higher. Still has the volume. MVUS is still halted, not really doing much. Let's update the screener again. There we go. Lucy starting to move. Foxo didn't really do much. BSFC is now starting to go down. Doesn't it have a gap somewhere? Where was that gap? Yeah, 243, 248, 232. Interesting. They could leave that gap for later. That could also be the case. You know what? All right, we're going in. Oh, okay. Huh? Okay. I guess not. All right. We're in Buru, 300 shares. I want to buy 1,000, but I guess it's not fully settled yet. Could always go down further. That's always the case. But I think the RSI is very low. MACD doesn't look great. And we do still have the gap at 19 on Buru. We'll see. We still also have the DHAC share, which we can still buy 2 more of, which we're gonna do. Why not? Why not? We'll put the throttle. Buru. Oh, is this the first level? You're gonna first level it? Really? Okay. Well. I guess we will set a stop on this. Oh, whoops, wrong account. What's going on? Okay. There we go. Trying to manage 2 accounts is a bit difficult simultaneously. We'll also set a stop here. Where would I be done with this play? Like below 20? Do they try to slap it down below? Do have a decent amount of volume. You know what we'll do? No, still looking good. Alright, Buru. Come on, Buru. I believe in you. Actually, you know what? We're gonna cancel this. There we go. Come on, Buru. What's my average? 2143. Are you still in QMCO? Yeah, I only got 100 shares of it right now. I'm still in QMCO. Just to prove it to you, boom, 100 shares. I bought a market order when it was sitting at like 46, and for some reason they failed me at 49. I guess that's the spread on it. What about SunPower? Yeah, they're gonna try to keep SunPower below 350 today. I'm liking the way Buru's already moving. Good bounce so far. You're in on QMCO at like. I didn't go like. QMCO is a bit of a weird play. Like it's a swinger, but it's also like long term in my mind, so I don't really care. I mean, ideally, I would like to make money off of it. What's the other play? DTCK. DTCK hit 119, man. This might be popping up next week. ELTK is still looking good. There we go, Buru. There we go, Buru. That's the move we want to see. MVOS hit 123, by the way. Steve's killing it. Actually, hold up. I gotta. Okay, this is DHAC is not moving the way I was expecting it to. It could flip. It could flip. It could easily flip. I'm gonna keep an eye on it, I guess. We are just gonna play it safe. If it breaks, yeah, that's the level I was thinking. Anyways, so if it breaks this, we'll take that out. We'll just leave that. We'll just let it sit on the side for now. Whoops. Alright, Buru's now trying to reclaim the 200 here. Oh, this is gonna be a bit tricky here on Buru. The volume is still good though. Still think DHAC wants to pop up. I still think it wants to move up. What about Lucy? There we go. Lucy's finally making that move. It took a little bit. They spread it over a couple of candles. Volume's a little low. Not great, but not terrible. Foxo is still moving up. Obviously, they're gonna keep this down below this level. Alright, Buru. Just pay attention to Buru for now. Should see a nice little move here. $44, yeah. No. QM is gonna be a good play. so we're starting to get that 3 minute. 5 minutes still gonna take a little bit of time here. What about the 10? Oh, 15, sorry. 15 doesn't look terrible. It's gonna be tricky with that volume. Oh, we're starting to move up again. There we go. I mean, if it breaks this level, it's gonna be done. I'm not talking about Boom. I'm talking about DHAC. Actually, I don't like how the 5 minute is set up whatsoever. I mean, it should be moving up here, right? Long wick on low volume, and we get volume increase on the way up. We get buying pressure. MACD's not looking great, but trying to keep Brewer down right now. Foxo. Okay, Foxo. Just do that. That's fine. Ooh, 48. Foxo's getting the attention. Lucy with a big drop below the dollar area. They got that thing caked. MVOS is still holding. They got volume underneath it, which is what you want to see. There we go. Buru. I want to see Buru. The volume is not bad still. I guess that opening volume doesn't really count. Yeah, Buru back into the 23. Silver and oil. I want to play around with the RSI again. I mean, you're bouncing pretty nicely. Yeah, you're just trying to establish this 22 as support right now. See, the fact that if you had multiple days like this and volume on Buru is kind of weird. Like, if you look at the weekly, and the weekly's bullish, right? It's gonna move higher. Hit 11, you're at 22, up 100%. Yeah, I mean, it did hit that 40 area. I'm gonna reduce the losses on that. FFIE down. All right, let's take a look at. Let's re-update this. Foxo 49.83. I guess Foxo is gonna be the winner chicken dinner. This makes no sense. And Buru slam back below the 200. My question, where did all that volume come from? Are they just... they're trying to get it below 20. They can't do that. We gotta move up 23. Foxo wants to break into the 50s here. 49.83, 49.95. There we go, 50. MVUS still trying to maintain above the dollar area. Whatever happened to OPTT? Yeah, it did go down. Holo getting some early action this morning. I've done well swinging Boo over the past few weeks since you called out. Hey, congratulations, Pyro. I haven't hit it quite. I mean, I made the first time around. I made some good money on it. By the way, LPA is at 464. I don't even know who is trading that. Foxo 51. Excuse me, hit 52. I want the daily. What does the daily look like? Hard rejection. Trying to fill that 19. Weird setup. What about DJT? DJT 49. Oh, those bears like didn't update. Tesla's moving up. Excuse me. There we go, Buru. That's the move I want to see. MVOS. Ooh, good bounce. Ooh-wee. It's gonna be a tough one. It is Friday on a very short week, so. But finally found Sis. Sis still looks like it wants to pop up here. It's not the worst candle I've seen. They just made everything look kind of awkward on Buru. That pre-market move made everything look really awkward. Yeah, I'm expecting it to make a move here. Yeah, there we go. We're just setting it up. It's taking a little bit. MVOS still at 103. What's Sun Power doing? Sun Power dropping. Yep, they're coming back to the 330 level. Man, oh man. Sun Tower. Come on, DHA. DHAC. Come on. Come on. I know you want to go for a ride. Brewer's just kind of chilling here. It's not doing much. It's below 24, the 25-24 area. It's above the 19-20 area. It's like right in the middle of it. There we go. There we go, DH. Come on. You got the volume. You got the consistency. That's what. As I say, that brewer drops. Maybe a double bottom here. Not quite. Yeah, so 21 right now. Don't really want to break that level. MVOS with another spike. Really nice spike. Foxo coming back down. Hey, what's up, Lex? Good morning, man. Sorry. At 464, people buying at 490. Can you check out LPA? Yeah, my bad, sir. I didn't. Yeah. So it's having a nice move. This one's tricky, man, because the volume is kind of non-existent, right? Because no one can really afford it. I don't really know. Like, this is one of those plays where I can't. This is just, there's no options. Yeah, that's probably why. I see people buying it 500. Currently it says it's at like 600. Let's see if Buru completes the double bottom. Yeah, I'm thinking like it's sitting on the support level. It might have to go back to this mid-channel range, but like real support's at like 19, I guess. I mean, they kind of just keep flaking it with the volume, but I don't think there's too much to worry about here. Still think I think DHAC has what it takes. Boo is still bouncing pretty nicely. I'm expecting a move, at least an attempted move back to 25. Come on, DHAC. Come on, man. Let my gut be right. My gut is very hungry right now, though. I think you'll see like a midday pop back up to the 24.25s on Brewer or something like that. Still holding. Hold on, let me grab some more coffee. Oh no, Buru. That's not what we want to see. Alright, so it does fill this gap. Gap is down to 1902. Now below the 500 on the 5. Peggy did the same thing. Ooh, yeah. Peggy's upwards movement's a little bit more consistent. MVOS though, on the other hand, look at that bad boy go. 126. Oh yeah, now they got that volume at 22. We could see a rally back up there, retest it, come back down, retest 20. I still think it's like midday. What did I have mine? It was like, we'll keep that there. What about LPA? LPA is still halted. Boover, good bounce, but I don't know about the volume. We had decreasing volume and then increased volume. Is that buying pressure? That's all. No, they try to bring it back down there. Okay, they're about to drop this. We still gotta retest the 20s. There we go. Good bounce on Buru. Still not confident in it yet, but whoa. That was quick. Is that in 1 minute? A lot of volume. Still got that gap on the 1 minute. Doesn't look bad. I'm not too concerned about it. Yep, still not a big fan of this DH. Well, look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. Come on, Buru. It's not. I don't think it's gonna break the 23s, but we'll see. I mean, that was a good bounce. It bounced off of the 500. It's now trying to reclaim it. It's just in this channel between 1950 and 22. Could you update? Yeah. Yeah, I think DHAC is going to be done here. Did a quick drive down and a quick pop. So man, I think they were trying to loosen up the ladder down below. Not going as quick as I would have hoped. Sun power. Sun power is now sitting on top of volume. Question is, can I maintain? I don't think they're gonna let it break above. They're gonna try to drive it below the 3s. Cause you got puts below at the 3s there. There's like a gap fill on Buru. Okay, well, I'm out on the DHC position. That thing stopped me out real quick. All right, well, I'm out of that. Okay. Too many people had their stops there. Yeah, Buru's gonna be a market, like an after hours pre-market mover. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for me today. I'm exhausted. I've been up all night, so I hope you guys all have a good weekend. Catch you guys next week. I will be streaming. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace.
I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I'm a man, I got a full market plan. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark, swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark.